What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Live Free with Caleb D. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I was able to reach a six-figure income at the age of 25 using these 5 simple steps. So stay tuned. But before we get into the video, please like, comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out because, to be honest, I don't want to be an engineer anymore. I want to be a full-time YouTuber, so please help your boy out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Help the YouTube algorithm. Now let's get into the video. Step number 1, you must learn a skill. Learning a skill is crucial in obtaining a six-figure income. It gives you the opportunity to provide value. And that's what companies and customers are willing to pay for. They're willing to pay for good value. The reason why companies like Walmart and Amazon are so successful is because they're providing value to their customers. And customers are willing to pay for Amazon Prime. They're willing to pay for Amazon products because of the convenience and the quality of products that they offer. Or athletes, they have mastered their skill, whether it's basketball or football or swimming. They have mastered their skill and people are willing to pay a premium for their services. So apply that to your own life. Learn a skill. That could be a trade school, that could be going to college, that could be sales job, that could be anything. Anything that is of relevancy and anything that is useful. For me, it was getting my electrical engineering degree. Certain companies value electrical engineering, so they're willing to pay someone for that skill set. Step number 2, get experience. Experience is the number 1 teacher. I don't care how good you are, I don't care how talented you are, I don't care how good your grades were or how skilled you are in your profession or your craft. I don't care, I don't give a damn. Experience is the number 1 teacher. You know, people think that, because I excelled in the classroom, that they're gonna excel in the real world. No, it doesn't work that way. You need experience. Experience proves to yourself and to others you are capable of doing the job. It also allows you to hone your craft to get better.
But I'm the best.
And you can't be the best if you're not practicing and getting experience. For me, it was getting 2 internships while I was in college. It proved to myself and it proved to companies that I was able to apply my skills to the real world. So moving forward, it was a lot easier for me to get a job had I not gotten those internships. So please get experience. Step number 3, you must find a way to separate yourself from everyone else. Guys, this is very important because no matter how much your skill set is in demand, there's always gonna be competition. So you need to find a way to separate yourself from everyone else. What makes you you? What makes you unique? That might mean you have to specialize. That might mean you have to get additional certifications. It could mean a plethora of things. But you must find a way to separate yourself. It could also mean that you provide a service that's unique only to you. I don't know, only you can figure that out. But you must find a way to separate yourself. For me, I was very fortunate enough that during one of my internships, I was able to obtain a security clearance.
Security area, what are you doing here?
I have security clearance, Chief.
And that security clearance, combined with my engineering degree, really set me apart from the rest of the engineering world. Because in the defense industry, you are required to have a clearance. Since not every engineering graduate has a security clearance, the defense industry is willing to pay a premium for anyone who can obtain or has a security clearance. So that's how I was able to separate myself from everyone else. Step number 4, negotiate. Guys, you need to negotiate. Negotiate, 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 negotiate. Like seriously, guys, you need to negotiate. If you guys don't do this step, the other steps really don't matter because companies and customers, although they want good value, they're gonna try to get it for the lowest cost possible. So that means they will try to lowball you. And I'm telling you, they will. They will lowball you. So you must negotiate. And I'm not telling you to play hardball. I'm not saying you gotta be like Donald Trump with a mean scowl on your face and be no nonsense and hold your ground and not budge. I'm not even saying all that. Sometimes negotiation is as simple as asking for more money. So please, just ask at the very least. It's funny because I unintentionally negotiated my salary for my current job. I had happened to apply to a competitor around the same time, and I got the offer from the competitor before the offer from my current employer. So it's not like I strategically leveraged that offer. I just literally brought it to the table, just asked. And then I was able to get more money just by letting them know that I got another offer. And because of that, I was able to receive a 42% increase in pay for my last job. Damn! 42%. So after that, I realized the importance of negotiating. Step number 5, you have to deliver. You have to deliver. You can't just sit there with your feet up, eating Cheetos and drinking coffee and donuts and not do your work and expect to keep your job. And you can't stop providing value to your customers. You have to keep producing. And a lot of people don't get that. They think because once I made it, I'm just gonna relax. You see it all the time in sports. A player has a contract year, he busts his butt, he's dropping buckets, he's like, he's crossing people up, he's dunking on people. And then he gets that new contract, that nice fat contract, and then he just gets fat. And then he gets lazy. And guess what? Lo and behold, he doesn't get another contract or he gets cut. So please, I don't care how much money you've landed, you have to earn your money. You have to prove yourself. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for today. If you guys liked the video, please smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. It'll really help this channel grow and really boost my videos on the YouTube algorithm. I would really appreciate it. Holla at your boy.